Good morning everyone. In today's video guys, we will be making a starter for pizza. So this is 7 grams of yeast and this is 500 ml of water. Measure. I'm using cold this time guys, not a hot. The usual I use I'm using a hot water. By this time I'm using cold water. So then we will add honey, 5 grams, so approximately we will see that's a pure honey guys. It's not easy to melt. It's not easy to melt in the water. If it is sugar, it's easy to melt. So that's one of the signs if it is a pure honey. Can't you see? It takes time to melt. It's not highly soluble in the water. Can you see? There is still. Now we have the water, 500 ml, and we have also the flour. So this is one kilogram. So obviously I already take like 1/4, so we will just hang on because I'm afraid if the spoon goes to the I'm not using this time a hot water guys, because this one is a preparation for I will ferment it for 48 hours. So this is the starter of our pizza. But you can make as well like without the yeast. You can just use a starter using flour, honey, and water. But by this time I add yeast because I will double fermentation. Can't you see how it activates guys? When you can see a tiny bubbles, it means it is activated. This will make a lot of pizza. Now we'll see how much. So I think this one, guys, is enough to put in the refrigerator. Then follow me for the next for this journey of pizza making. So see you tomorrow, guys, and that one goes to the refrigerator.